Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step instructions how to fix game installation hangs or fails on the Xbox app for Windows. Okay, the first thing you want to do is open PowerShell. So go into search, type in PowerShell, right click on this, click on Run as Administrator. And you want to remove the existing gaming service by pasting in the following command. I'll put this in the video description below. Hold on one second. Yes, here it is. It's right here. You want to put this in the video description and paste it. And then close the PowerShell menu. And then again, open it again as an administrator and click this to reinstall. Then after you have done that, again, I'll put both of these in the video description below. But after you have done that, install gaming services from the store page. So this will open this, you install it from here. And then restart your PC and open the Xbox app and attempt to install the game once more. Okay, if you have done that and it still is not working, let's move on to method number 2. You want to disable IPv6 on your network connection. What does that mean? So go into search, type in view network connections, click on this. This old school thing should pop up. It's in Japanese for me because I do live in Japan, but it's going to be the same either way. Right click on this, click on properties. And scroll down until you see something called IP, Internet Protocol version 6 or something similar to that. Yeah, this one right here. It's in Japanese, but it's going to say Internet Protocol version 6 TCP IPv6, and you want to uncheck this box. Click OK to apply the changes and restart your PC and try installing the game one more time via the Xbox app. Okay, let's move on to step number 3 if that hasn't worked. Okay, you want to repair the Xbox app. So type in Xbox in the search bar thing. You want to right click on this. From here, you're going to see something called App Settings. Click on App Settings. It'll bring you to this page. And you want to scroll down until you see something called Reset. And under Reset, there's a button that says Reset. Click on that. And then after you have done that, click on the repair as well. Then after you have done that, do the same thing for the Microsoft App Store if that isn't working. And then what I recommend doing, let's go back to settings, go to apps, search for gaming services here, and you want to do the same thing for gaming services. You want to right click on this, 3 little dots, go to advanced options and go repair and reset. After you have done that, restart your PC and retry the installation. Okay, the next thing you want to do, install it on your system drive. Your system drive is whatever drive your iOS is installed on. And you can always move the installation later, but this solves a lot of problems for games not writing correctly. And the next thing you want to try is run the WS reset to clear the Microsoft Store cache. So under search, type in run. And this little box will come up. From here, type in wsreset.exe and hit enter. A blank command prompt like that will come up. And then this will show up, and then restart the PC. Basically, this resets the store, Microsoft Store cache, and this fixes the issue for some people. The next thing you can try is connect to a VPN, start the game the game download, and then disconnect the VPN after it has started downloading. That has worked for some people. The next and last thing you can try is install an older version of the Xbox app. So you can go to a website. For example, you can go to a website called uptodown.com. What does this do? You can download the Xbox app from here. You can download an older version of the Xbox app from here. And what you can do from that is basically you want to find a version of the Xbox app that is maybe from November 2024. Some people have said that older versions have worked, but newer versions are not working for whatever reason. You can check the older versions here. Yeah, and that is it. If this video has helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Have a nice day.